Life is a miracle. We often take for granted the incredible processes happening inside us every second. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, our bodies are constantly working to stay alive. Understanding these life processes is essential for comprehending how our bodies function. It allows us to appreciate the complexity of living organisms and the intricate systems that sustain life. By studying these processes, we can make informed decisions about our health and well-being. In this exploration, we will delve into the fascinating world of life processes, including nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Join me as we unlock the secrets of how our bodies obtain and utilize nutrients, how we breathe, how our blood circulates, and how we eliminate waste. Get ready for a journey into the microscopic universe that sustains us all, revealing the wonders of life at its most fundamental level. Imagine your body as a complex machine. Like any machine, it needs fuel to function. That fuel is what we call nutrients. Nutrients provide the energy needed for growth, repair, and other life processes. They come in various forms, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. But how do organisms obtain these essential nutrients? The answer lies in the fascinating process of nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain and utilize nutrients. It's a fundamental process, ensuring the survival and growth of all living things. Plants are incredible organisms. They possess the unique ability to produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Imagine plants as nature's food factories. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, they create their own energy source in the form of glucose. This process takes place in specialized structures within plant cells called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which captures light energy. Photosynthesis is a remarkable process. It not only sustains the plant itself but also provides the basis for most food chains on Earth. Unlike plants, animals cannot produce their own food. They are consumers, relying on other organisms for their nutritional needs. Animals obtain nutrients by consuming plants or other animals that have consumed plants. This process is called heterotrophic nutrition. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, all animals depend on the consumption of organic matter for survival. This interdependence between plants and animals highlights the delicate balance within ecosystems. Section 5. Breathing for energy, the essence of respiration. Respiration is the process of releasing energy from food. It's like burning fuel in an engine to generate power. Every cell in our body needs energy to function. Respiration provides this energy by breaking down glucose, a simple sugar, in the presence of oxygen. This process occurs in the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. During respiration, glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy in the process. This energy is then used by cells to carry out various functions, from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. Section 6. Oxygen's role. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the most efficient way to release energy from food. It requires oxygen and produces a significant amount of energy. Think of aerobic respiration as a controlled burn. Oxygen acts as the spark, igniting the breakdown of glucose and releasing energy. This process is essential for most living organisms, from the smallest bacteria to the largest animals. Without oxygen, aerobic respiration would cease, and cells would quickly run out of energy. Section 7. Life without oxygen. Anaerobic respiration. While oxygen is essential for most life forms, some organisms can survive in environments lacking oxygen. These organisms rely on a process called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen but releases much less energy than aerobic respiration. Think of it as a backup generator. It provides some energy when oxygen is scarce, but it's not as efficient as the primary system. Anaerobic respiration is common in microorganisms and is also utilized by our muscles during intense physical activity when oxygen supply is limited. The process begins with glycolysis, where glucose is broken down into pyruvate. In the absence of oxygen, pyruvate is converted into lactic acid in animals or ethanol and carbon dioxide in yeast. Examples of anaerobic respiration include yeast fermentation used in bread and beer production, and lactic acid fermentation in yogurt. Anaerobic respiration is significant as it allows organisms to survive in low-oxygen environments and plays a crucial role in various industrial processes. Section 8. Moving Life's Essentials. Transportation in living organisms. Imagine a bustling city with a complex network of roads and highways. This network is crucial for transporting goods and people throughout the city. Similarly, living organisms have specialized transport systems to move essential substances throughout their bodies. In plants, a network of tubes called xylem and phloem transports water, minerals, and sugars. In animals, the circulatory system, consisting of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste products. These transport systems ensure that all cells receive the necessary substances for survival. Section 9. Waste removal, the excretory system. Just like a city needs a waste disposal system, living organisms must eliminate waste products generated during metabolic processes. The excretory system plays a vital role in removing these waste products, including carbon dioxide, excess water, and nitrogenous compounds. In humans, the kidneys filter waste products from the blood and excrete them as urine. Other excretory organs include the skin, lungs, and liver. Efficient waste removal is crucial for maintaining a stable internal environment and ensuring the proper functioning of cells and tissues.